as you can see, Bankstown TAFE has closed its doors and has now moved towards the Bankstown Central area into the Western University building. So we're just going to go down here a bit to the car park outside of Bankstown TAFE. This morning on the way down, they're actually starting to fence this area off for construction. Now I would have thought construction wasn't meant to start until next year, but they've blocked off the car park with temporary fencing. So we're going to have a little wheel around that, have a look, and then whilst they do the demolishing of the building, I'll try to do a daily picture, daily videos. And what I'll do is I'll create a playlist called the Bankstown Hospital. So as you're all probably aware, Bankstown TAFE is being demolished to make way for a brand new multi-billion-dollar Bankstown Hospital. So this part of it is going to be a high-rise car park. And as you can see, they've now cut off the Bankstown TAFE car park. So let's have a little look down. Look-see. As you can tell, there's a few cars still parked there inside the car park, but as you can tell, there is a sign to say this car park is closing on March the 8th. So let's have a look. So the isolator's all out. So the fencing goes all the way down towards the, what's this called? De La Salle College. There was a report that New South Wales Health was actually going to buy that part of the oval, but it's not been substantiated. Staff car park of the hospital, the Bankstown TAFE, no longer in use. Let's go inside, have a look around inside of the Bankstown TAFE car park that's closing on the 8th of March. Let's go inside and have a look. So when I went past about 9:30 this morning, the truck's only just arrived. By the time my wife got to work at 10 o'clock, all the fencing was already up. So to give you a little bit of a feel about how big the Bankstown Hospital is going to be, this whole fenced off area is going to be the hospital. That bit of the TAFE is going to be demolished, make way for a car park. So the hospital looks like it will be I think I read somewhere it's going to be like 8 to 12 stories high. Who knows? Well, the fence does look quite sturdy. So I'll try to post this video in the next couple of days. I'll try to give an update about when the construction will start. I believe it's all probably going to rely upon the Bankstown Council. So as you can see, the fencing goes from Bankstown TAFE all the way down Chapel Road, turns right into French's Avenue, which heads towards the Bankstown PCYC Uniting Churches. The temporary fencing goes all the way down. So we'd love to see what happens with the traffic. So morning time, 40 kilometers up the road because of the two schools. It already gets congested around about 8 to 8:40 in the mornings. So when they start bringing the trucks in to demolish the place, it's going to be quite a sight. There's some blue lines down there. So this part of the car park will be open still. So this building on the left hand side of us is the Bankstown TAFE Childcare Centre, open to TAFE students as well as the public. So they kept this park area open. Staff car parking is still open to the TAFE Centre, the TAFE Childcare Centre. Alright, that's it folks. we'll get in the corner, have a look up the road a bit, so we can have a look how big the fencing area is, and then I'll try to keep you updated once the construction starts working. Obviously they'll rip down the car park area first. Alright. There you go, so all the way over there. So they must be some of the staff car parking from the childcare centre. Alright, thank you for watching. Stay tuned. This playlist will be called the Bankstown Hospital development. I'll try to keep these videos posted very frequently to see how it goes. Yeah, so Bankstown starting to become a community hub, something that the community needs. New hospital, we've got a new university, the metro is coming. Apparently there's going to be the Bankstown Centre upgrades as well. Compass Centre is going to be ripped down, and there is word on the news this morning that they're actually going to be building a new Bankstown TAFE. Who knows where that is? Maybe opposite there where the bus is. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, like and share and comment.